One life is like one note. One key on a piano, and there's no music without at least one note, one life. Your life. And to power your potential is to first hear and love your one note. Let it live. Let it ring out. Let it play out your life. Lean into risk. Lean into wonder, imagination, and possibility. The possibility of your life, your one note. Your one note willing and wanting to be heard. That decision to play the note of your potential begins the true music. Notes will couple, new lives will connect, and they'll braid, they'll dance in a beautiful harmony, and they'll start to bring your true essence to life. A partner, a spouse, a child, a true friend, maybe the person sitting right next to you right now. Somehow the sound, the pitch, the resonance, and potential of your individual note expands as it's played with another. And as your potential expands, your belief expands. New possibilities are entertained and considered. New thresholds crossed. New horizons come into view. And yeah, there are setbacks, and there's need for retuning. Melodies don't always work well or change. It's maybe not always in harmony. There are major lifts, there are minor falls. Maybe 2 steps forward, maybe 1 step back. But you lean into your life. You remember your note. You take the risks of powering your potential and that of others. And before you even realize it, you're listening to the music of your life. And that's what's possible. That's your potential. You've heard this music, this note, here at this convention, maybe like you've never heard it before. It's your music. And in the moments of reflection, the moments of gratitude and humility and even excitement, you started to believe in it again. In a room full of people together for the first time in a long time, maybe ironically, you've reconnected with yourself, your one note. And you've heard the music, you've made new commitments to your future self, to your potential and others you don't even know yet. These are commitments to play, to be in the game, to deal with the challenges, the setbacks, to participate. And soon you'll leave here, we'll all leave here, and we'll depart with hugs and laughter and tears. We'll be grateful and different than when we came just a few days prior. Reminded, invited, encouraged, even renewed. We'll return home to the lives we all have, but that deep resolve to power your potential and that of others. You'll remember what happened here, the call to do and be more. And with all that you've learned and felt here, you'll go out and play your one note.
So make your one life by living every moment. There's only just one life, so believe in something more. And if we can unite, then together we'll shine brighter than before. It takes one life.
This is your company.
Just one life. Can believe it.
How about this group? How awesome are these people? Give it up for you.
And it began with just one life.
Let's take these new tools, this new support, this new vision. Let's take our potential. Let's lean into it for others, and let's go power the world. Let's do what we were born to do. Thank you.